Benny, you look a little down. What's going on?
Man, the children. Um, I just felt like running out of the house last night. My kids, my children were getting on my nerves. I don't know what to do sometimes.
Really? What happened?
Well, the thing is, my oldest just turned 15, and
Mm.
he just sets the house off with his attitude, with his distance from us. And sometimes I just don't know what to do. I just back off and or I'll fly off the handle and it's
Wow.
too much sometimes.
Man, I hear you.
Uh, he hasn't been the same actually since we came back from our family reunion like 3 months ago, and I haven't had a regular conversation with him, like a conversation back and forth. It's usually me just telling him what to do, and him not doing what I tell him to do. But it just sets off the other ones, and then the house just becomes intense, and it's just not a pleasant place to be sometimes. And I just want to walk away.
Wow. Does he talk to his mom?
More like grunts and moans at her. She kind of gets the same thing from him. He will engage with me when he feels he wants to flex his muscles a little bit,
Mm.
but with her, he kind of just grunts and moans and graces us with his presence every once in a while by coming into the kitchen and getting some food and heading right back to his room. So
Wow.
yeah,
Yeah, I mean, I know you love him for who he is. He's your son, but it's his behavior you don't like right now, right? At
exactly,
15.
exactly. I mean, I love him. He knows that. I hope. I love all my children, but I just don't like his behavior sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, that's it right there. I mean, love is a verb. We can say it,
Mhm.
but we also have to show it. And with kids, showing them love is all about time spent.
Right,
And at 15, quality time is what's more important,
right,
because it sounds like communication is not where it's supposed to be. And to communicate, you got to be in his presence. So I don't know, try to flip the script, walk
right,
into his room. I bet he spent a lot of time there. You know what I mean? Just walk in, sit on the floor. He's going to look at you like you're crazy. But at some point, he's going to ask you, what are you doing? And maybe that's your
right,
opportunity.
right, right. I mean, well said. He loves to play video games. He loves basketball. So maybe I can, just step into his room, offer, to take him to the park and we can shoot around a little bit. Just step into his world a little bit. I never even really thought about that.
Yeah, I mean, you know what it was like when we were 15. We knew everything. You know what I mean?
Yes,
Nobody could tell us anything, especially our parents.
yes,
You know what I mean? But at times, though, we do need that direction,
right,
right?
right, right. I mean, I love him, and I just have to remember that, what it was like for me when I was that age.
Yeah,
And being around our parents wasn't necessarily the coolest thing, but just being consistent and showing him some love and getting into his world a little bit. And thanks, man. I needed that reminder.
yeah. I mean, I know you're dealing with a lot.
Right,
We've had a lot of talk,
right,
around this kind of stuff. But just remember, for kids, love is spelled Time. Try to put in some quality time with them,
right.
see what happens.
Well said. Thanks, brother.
No problem. For more information, please visit our website at fairfaxcounty.gov and search for father.